Evolution. Evolution is the gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. This is a very slow going process through which development of organisms is achieved. All the stages and changes occurred in various components ranging from stars and planets in space to the biosphere present on the earth should be included in the study of evolution. Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. So, what is evolution? It is a gradual change occurring in living organisms. It takes place over a long duration of time. You will not understand the changes. This is a very slow going process which development of organisms is achieved through which development of organisms is achieved. All stages occurred in various components during ranging from stars and planets in space to the biosphere present on the earth should be included in the study of evolution. So, what is the definition of evolution? Formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. Formation of new species. Now you will find different species of goat. You may have seen different species of goat. You may have seen different species of cat. So how do the formation new species, how it is formed? It is formed due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a response to natural selection is called as evolution. This definition you have to remember. $3.5 billion years ago, life had been non-existent on the earth. Non-existent on the earth means there was no life on the earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the earth, and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from those. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have formed over the long period from those simple compounds. First, primitive types of cells may have been formed from the mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. Number of those cells may have increased at the cost of surrounding chemicals. That means number of cells increased and the amount of surrounding chemicals must have decreased. There may have had been some differences among those cells, and according to the principle of natural selection, some may have shown good growth and some may have perished. The cells which may have formed, they may have shown good growth. Some cells showed good growth. Some cells, according to the principle of natural selection, some showed good growth and some have perished. Perished means died. Which cells perished? Which could not adjust with the surrounding. The surrounding may not be suitable for its existence, so those cells will die. Only those cells which are strong will remain and they will grow. At present, crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the earth. Now, if you see at present, there are crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity. Diversity means different appearances. Regarding diversity, regarding what? Shape and complexity are present on the earth. Animal diversity ranges from the unicellular amoeba and paramecium to man and giant whale. So you can have a small amoeba for which you will not be able to see with your naked eye. You need a microscope. So small animal like amoeba and paramecium, from that to a giant whale. So we can see those many changes. The plant diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to huge banyan tree. So a unicellular chlorella is very small. It moves around in water, but it is a plant. The life exists on earth everywhere, from equator to the North Pole and South Pole. Organisms are present at all the places like air, water, land, rock, etc. Humans have shown curiosity about origin of life and reason for such a great diversity in life, and they have shown a great diversity, means change in life, present on the earth since ancient period. Life has been present on the earth since ancient period. Different theories about the origin and evolution of life have been proposed till today, of which the theory of gradual development of living organisms is accepted.